Welcome to Lady Enchantress Garden and Travel. For today's video, I just need to be close so I would know that my stand will not fall off. For today's video, I'll be talking about basil, different kinds of basil that I grow, especially for those of you who are like me who loves to cook. So I prepare from pesto to pad sio, pad krao, gai, and a lot of soup that involves lemon basil or sangig here in our local dialect. So if you're interested and if you wanted to know how aromatic life can be, how fragrant life can be, it's not just about garnish, but it is flavor. And then it reminds me especially the Thai basil of my time in Ho Chi Minh when I was living and working in Vietnam. So check it out.
Let us start with this basil here called holy basil. It looks a little bit different than the rest of the basil I have here together with this pot. As you notice, especially in the young stem, there is a visible trichome. Trichome are this hair-like something that is found at the stems of the plants like tomatoes. This is the most rain resilient among all the basil I have here. So let's get a closer look to the lemon basil. This has the most intense smell and fragrant among all of them here. This will put in your roasted dishes to the next level. The scent of this reminds me of that candy before, which is called Halls. If you remember that Halls yellow candy, that is exactly how does it smell. And it is also good in soup, and just make sure you put it last because it easily gets wilted and it will really elevate any kind of soupy dish also that you have. Just make sure you put them towards the end of your cooking and turn your fire off. The scent of this is too addicting. Moving on to the last must have basil is this Thai or Vietnamese basil. This scent reminds me of that sumptuous and comforting pho ba and pho ga. If you are familiar with Vietnamese cuisine, you know how important is basil. From your fresh spring rolls to the soup to the sides of just a basic roasted chicken, this is almost a must have. It can be distinguished by its leaves that is kind of straight without edges compared to the stem of the holy basil. So you see, it does not have a trichome and it kind of brownish purplish stem, which is a good indicator that this is a Thai basil. This is a bit hardy and easy to grow in the tropical area. So if you are gardening where there is a hot sun, humid, you have no problem with this one together with the holy basil. And these are also easily propagated through the flowers. I might pull up some of the flowers that I had before. So holy basil is so good with your stir-fried chicken, pad krao, pad thai, pad sio, the dishes that I have mentioned, and a lot of varied dishes beyond Thai and Vietnamese list of cuisines that you probably know or we probably know. I'm putting out this video so you can easily have a comparison on how each of these basil look like. So it is easy for you to picture it out. If somebody would ask you to buy something or to procure something, so it in one look, because you've seen this all three here. And the Thai basil is my favorite one for salad. I just grab it raw. If you have favorite basil, share it on the comment section below.